Learn 20 plus work and study phrasal verbs with sentences. Listen and practice for English fluency. Take on. To accept responsibility or work. Who's going to take on the extra shift? I can take it on this weekend. Hand in. To submit something, like homework, a report, or a form. Have you handed in your assignment yet? Yes, I handed it in this morning. Catch up. To reach the same level as others after falling behind. Can you catch up with the rest of the class? I'm trying to catch up by studying at night. Catch on. To begin to understand something. Did the new student catch on quickly? Yes, she caught on in just a few days. Drop out. To leave school or university before finishing. Why did you drop out of college? I dropped out due to financial issues. Go over. To review or check something carefully. Can we go over the notes together? Sure, let's go over them after lunch. Look over. To examine or review something quickly or briefly. Can you look over my essay tonight? Sure, I'll look it over after dinner. Figure out. To understand or find the solution to something. Have you figured out the math problem? Not yet, but I'm working on it. Carry out. To complete or perform a task, duty, or plan. Who will carry out the research? The science team will carry it out. Back up. To make a copy of data. How often do you back up your files? I try to back them up every week. Call off. To cancel something. Did they call off the meeting? Yes, they called it off due to the storm. Set up. To arrange or organize something, like an event, system, or meeting. Can you set up the interview? I already set it up for Friday. Turn in. To submit something, like homework, a report, or a form. When do we need to turn in the report? It must be turned in by 5 p.m. Bring up. To mention or start talking about something. Did anyone bring up the budget issue? Yes, Lisa brought it up during the meeting. Come up with. To think of or invent, an idea, plan, or solution. Who came up with this brilliant idea? John came up with it last night. Take off. To become successful or start to grow quickly. When did your business take off? It took off after we launched our app. Step down. To resign or leave a position of power. Did the manager step down? Yes, he stepped down due to health reasons. Take over. To assume control or responsibility for something. Who will take over after the manager leaves? Emma will take over the department. Move up. To get promoted or advance in position. How did she move up so fast? She moved up by working hard and learning fast. Put off. To delay or postpone something. Should we put off the presentation? Yes, let's put it off until next week. Break down. To analyze or explain something step by step. Can you break down the results for us? Sure, I'll break them down slide by slide. Draw up. To create a detailed plan, agreement, or document in writing. Can you draw up a contract by tomorrow? Yes, I'll draw it up today. Fill out. To complete a form by writing information. Have you filled out the job application? Yes, I filled it out online.